Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about League of Legends client not opening. This is going to be a fixed tutorial solution. So the first thing I want you to do right now is end all League processes. How can you do that one? Via Control-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager, or basically, you can just right-click on your taskbar and you're going to see Task Manager right here. So the point for this one is look for League of Legends applications here and basically right-click and end task, alright? I do not have League of Legends here because I do not have that application. However, the process is perfectly the same. Let's just say that this light shot application is the League of Legends. Right-click and end task, and basically, that's going to be step 1. And to be honest, step 1 really solves the problem most of the time. However, for any more that's going to be persistent problems, let's move over to step 2. Now run the client as an administrator. To do this one, right-click on the League client and run as an administrator. For example, this Minecraft is going to be the LOL or League of Legends, right? Right-click right there. Let me just search it up one more time. So that would be Minecraft. Right-click, run as administrator, or you can just basically click on this one, giving it full access to everything you have. Now step 3 right now, clear Riot client cache. So Windows R, type this one right there and press enter. That would be Windows R. And basically type in this one. This is going to be the shortcut key to open up your enter folder. And basically for this one, if you have your Riot, just delete anything that's going to be inside the Riot folder and you can clear all your data. That would be again this one right here. Let me just delete that one. Remove this one. So everything inside here, delete it. If you have Riot, for example, this one right here, delete that folder, clearing the cache. Also, restart your PC and try relaunching the client. Step 4, use the League of Legends repair tool. So each application, each launcher has its own repair tool. We can find the settings or the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select initiate full repair and within itself, it will repair the problem. Step 5, reinstall League of Legends. This is actually the most basic and most common solution, but sometimes it really works. Delete and reinstall. Basically, that's it. Step 6, check the Windows for graphic driver updates. Now, this is kind of tricky because sometimes you don't really have access to update your drivers. What you can do is go to the updated version of website. If you're using NVIDIA or AMD or Adrenalin to update your GPU, go to the website itself and not just go to Windows Update. Take note about that one, alright? Let me grab a sample here. So for example, this one right here, I'm going to type in here AMD drivers. Since I'm using AMD, go to the website itself and look for updated versions, not just the Windows Update option. Take note about that one. Step 7, adjust compatibility settings. So right-click on the League client, click Properties and Compatibility, and change it from Windows 8 to 7. Let's try this one out. So, this craft earlier would be my League of Legends, right? Since I really don't have League of Legends application. So that would be right-clicking this one, go to Properties for this one. Looking for this one right there. Let me just right-click again. Let me just click on that one. That will be Minecraft. And in here, look for Properties. And basically, once you have that one, change it to Windows 8 or 7. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.